Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2B. Okay, so now 18th class. What is our topic? Circle sum. Our topic is circles. So now we are continuing the problem, second exercise. So third bit, second question. If a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal 0 and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal 0. There are the two circles are there. Length of the tangents here what is there are equal. Then find the equation of the locus sum. Here there are the two circles are there. This is the circle S is equal to 0. There is a circle S dash is equal to 0. This is the point P. So from this point P we are drawing the two tangents. Okay now. So here we are showing which one sir. What is condition is given? Length of the tangents are equal. The distance from P to the circle S is equal to 0 and the distance from P to the circle S dash is equal to 0. There is nothing but PT. This is the PT dash. Both are equal. Length of PT is equal to PT dash. In that case we are finding the locus of P. Here P is equal, we are taking x1 comma y1 we are taking. Okay now? x1 comma y1, otherwise x comma y both are same. Here x comma yb, the point on the locus. Locus means from that point the length of the tangents to the both circles is equal. Okay now? Already last class we discussed this one. Length of the tangents is nothing but under root of s11 formula. Length of the tangent from the point P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is nothing but s11. Okay na? See here solution. Okay na? So otherwise we are taking x1 comma y1 we are taking. So first we are writing given circles. Given circles. The first one we are taking S is equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is nothing but S dash. Okay now? Here let P of x1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. X1 comma y1 be a point on the locus. Okay now? So the distance from, otherwise the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equal to 0. To the circle S is equal to 0 is under root of s11. Length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is under root of s11. Next same. Here length of the tangent. Length of the tangent from P of x1 comma y1 to the circle S dash is equal to 0 is under root of S dash 11. Okay. So lengths of the tangents from to the circles S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 both are equal. Here by given condition. By given condition. Length of the tangents are equal, that's why under root of S11 is equal to under root of S dash 11. Next we are doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. S11 is equal to S dash 11. S11 is equal to S dash 11. Okay now? Here next, first we are finding S11. S11 means what is the 1 point x1 comma y1 is there. Already we know the notation of S11. x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, that is called S11. There is s is equal to s1 is there. S11 we are writing x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 is equal to s dash 11. What is second circle? S dash 11. Here x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 4xy1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Okay now? Here x1 square y1 square cancel. Here 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 is equal to minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. This minus 4x1 we are taking to the left side. That is nothing but 8x1 plus 4x1 plus 12y1. That is plus 12y1 is there. The right side minus 6y1. Minus 6y1 we are taking left side plus 6y1. Okay now? Here plus 15. Okay now? So there is minus 12 is there. Minus 12 we are taking left side. Plus 12 is equal to 0. 8x1 plus 4x1. 12x1. 8x1 plus 4x1 is nothing but 12x1. 12y1 plus 6y1. What is the value? 18y1. Okay now? Plus 15 plus 12. What is the value? Plus 27. Plus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, locus of P of x1 comma y1 is 12x plus 18y plus 27 is equal to 0. This is the required locus. All of you write down fair notes, must and should, students. Write down this one first. Next see here. Second exercise completed. Next topic see. This one, different cases of position of a straight line with respect to a circle. Okay now? So different cases of position of a straight line with respect to a circle. Suppose here s is equal to 0 be the circle equation, capital L is equal to 0 be the line equation. Okay now? So s is equal to 0 be the circle equation, nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Capital L is the line. Here lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. This is the line equation. Okay now? So in the same plane there are the line is there and the circle is there. Okay now? How many cases are arising? So first one, see here, first case we are taking like this one. This is the possibility. There are three cases arising. This is the coordinate system. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is the circle. This is the line. Okay now? Center of the circle. There is nothing but here line meets the circle in how many places, sir? 2 places. Okay now? The line meets the circle in 2 distinct points. What are the distinct points, sir? A comma B are the 2 distinct points. The line segment AB is called, which one, sir? Chord we are calling. The line segment AB is called, which one we are calling, sir? Chord. The line AB straight line. This is nothing but this is called secant we are calling. AB line is called secant. The line segment AB is called, which one, sir? Chord. Okay now? So in that case the line and circle intersect how many points, sir? 2 distinct points. First case. Okay now? The line meets the circle. The line meets the the line meets the circle in 2 distinct points. In 2 distinct points. Okay, now this is the first case. Next our second case, the line meets the circle only one point, like this one. This is the origin, this is the x axis, this is which one, sir? Y axis. There is a circle is there. The line meets only one point. Okay now, circle, this is the point of contact is P. Okay now. So you observe, so this line is called, the line meets the circle in 2 points. This line is called secant we are calling. Which one we are calling, sir? Secant. Okay now. Otherwise the line meets the circle in one and only one point. The line meets the circle in one and only one point. So this line is called, which one we are calling, sir? Tangent. This line is called tangent. The line meets the circle in one and only one point. This line is called the tangent only. Okay now. So see here, second case what is there, Amma? The line meets the circle. The line meets the circle in one and only one point. The line meets the circle in only one and only one point. So a circle meets the line. So see here, what is there? The line meets the circle only one and one point. Then the line is called, which one we are calling, sir? Tangent. The line is called, which one, sir? Tangent. Okay now. So what is the third case, sir? The line does not meet the circle. Okay now. That is nothing but line and circle have no common points. What is the third case, sir? The line does not meet the circle. The line does not meet the circle. Okay now. The line does not meet the circle. That is nothing but here line and circle have no common points. The line and circle have no common points. See here. So the line meets the circle in two distinct points. That is nothing but, which one, sir? Secant. Okay now. So see here, the line meets the circle in one and only one point. That is nothing but, which one? Tangent. The line does not meet the circle. Okay now. That is nothing but like this one. Here one is away from another. There is the circle is there. This is the center. This is the line. The line does not meet the circle. Okay now. So the line does not meet the circle. That is nothing but line and circle have no common points. Okay now. So this is the different cases of position of a straight line with respect to the circle. A line meets the circle in two distinct points. That is nothing but the line is called the secant. If the line segment AB is called the chord, AB line is called, which one, sir? Secant. The line meets the circle in one and only one point. A line meets the circle only one and only one point. This line is called, which one, sir? Tangent. This line is called tangent. The line does not meet the circle. That is nothing but the line and circle have no common point. Like this one. Line and circle away from each other. Okay now. So in this case there is no common points. Okay now. So now we are discussing the tangent condition. Okay now. See here. What are the three conditions are there? See. Observe this one. So here first we are finding tangent conditions we are discussing. Next we are discussing which ones are tangent conditions. So all of you have first the diagrams. See next see the theorem. A straight line y is equal to mx. So proof is no need. Just statement is important. A straight line, which one is, sir? Y is equal to mx plus c meets the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square is nothing but, which is, sir? Standard form of the circle. What is the standard form of the circle? Center is 0, 0 and radius r. Center is 0, 0. Origin is the center and radius. What is the radius, sir? Small r is the radius. Okay na? Small r is the radius. Okay na? meets the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square in two distinct points if c square by 1 plus m square less than r square. Touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square if c square by 1 plus m square is equal to r square. Has no common with circle x square plus y square is equal to r square if c square by 1 plus m square greater than r square. See here, this is the circle. Okay now, here what is the circle, sir? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Why we are writing x square plus y square is equal to r square? Center is 0, 0 and radius is the r. Suppose a line meets the circle. So y is equal to mx plus c is the line. Here the line meets the circle. The distance from this is the center to the line, which one, sir? Y is equal to mx plus c is equal to which one, sir? R. D is nothing but center to the line, which one, amma? Y is equal to mx plus c is nothing but that is D. R is the radius. If D is equal to R, the line y is equal to mx plus c meets only one point on the circle. See here, we have the conditions are there. The condition that the straight line y is equal to mx plus c is the line intersect the circle or touches the circle or does not the circle is depending on which one, sir? The perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the line. Okay now, if the line is the radius is less than or equal to the equal or greater than its radius, that is depending on the distance from center to the distance from center of the circle to the line, that is less than or equal or equal or greater than its radius, depending on its which one, sir? Its radius. So see here, first we are writing D is equal to what we are writing, sir? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line, which one, sir? Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay now, so first we are finding which one, sir? D value. What is the center of circle in this one? 0, 0 is the center of the circle. Okay now, so perpendicular distance from which one, sir? 0, 0 to the line, which one, sir? Y is equal to mx plus c. So here y is equal to mx plus c, that is nothing but mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance formula in your first year syllabus is there. What is the perpendicular distance formula? Ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Distance formula, perpendicular distance from the point to the line, ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Perpendicular distance formula, D is nothing but 0, 0 is there to the line, m into 0 minus 0 plus c by under root of m square plus minus 1 whole square. So D is equal to what is the value, sir? C by under root of m square plus minus whole square is nothing but 1 square. Here we can write which one, sir? D is there. D square is equal to, we can write c square by m square plus 1 or 1 plus m square, both are same. D square is equal to c square by 1 plus m square. All of you write on this one first. D square is equal to c square by 1 plus m square. D square is equal to c square by 1 plus m square. Okay now, this is the value of D square. First all of you write on this one. Then after see here next to here, what is the first case, sir? Meets the circle in two distinct points. Okay now, so meets the circle, the line and circle meets how many points, sir? Two distinct points. This is nothing but which one, sir? This is the distance. Here this is which one, sir? Radius. In this case, which is the greatest value? First case here, radius is greatest value. Here r greater than which one, sir? D. The line meets the circle in two distinct points. This is the D is the distance from the center to the line, which line sir? Y is equal to mx plus c line. Okay na? So here r is the greatest value, r greater than d, that implies we can write d less than r, here d square less than r square. But what is the value of d square? Here c square by 1 plus m square less than r square. C square by 1 plus m square less than r square. This is the value of d square. Next conditions here. What is the next condition sir? Touches the circle. Okay now? Touches the circle only. So like this one, in this case the line touches the circle. Here must and should distance is equal to which one sir? R. That's why a line touches the circle only one point. In that case, what is the condition we are taking? D is equal to R. So here we are taking touches the circle. Touches the circle. So that implies and implied. Here what is the value sir? D is equal to what is the value? R. Here D square is equal to R square. Already we find out D square value. What is the D square sir? C square by 1 plus m square is equal to r square. This is the second case. So third one, next the line so has no points in common with the circle and line, like this one. The line and circle has no common points. In that case, has line and circle has no common points. Line and circle has no common points. Okay now? So that implies and implied. In that case, here this is the distance distance from center to the circle here. This is the distance center to the line y is equal to which line sir? Mx plus c line. This is nothing but which one sir? R. Here which is the greatest value? D is the greatest value. That implies D greater than R. D square greater than R square. What is the D square value? C square by 1 plus m square. C square by 1 plus m square greater than R square. These are the three conditions are there. Okay now? So always remember this one. So in this one, this second condition is important. Touches the circle. The line touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to R square. If what is the condition sir? R is equal to dm. D is equal to R is equal to D. What is the D square value? C square by 1 plus m square. That's why we are writing R square. Okay now? So see here. In these three cases, which conditions satisfying the tangent conditions sir? This line is the tangent of the circle. If it is the tangent of the circle, what is the value of C square sir? C square is equal to which one sir? 1 plus. Here these remaining conditions are known it. Remaining this one. Here the line touches the circle if c square is equal to what is this sir? C square by 1 plus m square is equal to R square. Here what is the condition? C square by 1 plus m square is equal to what is the R square. Here c square is equal to R square into 1 plus m square. C square is equal to R square into 1 plus m square. C is equal to plus or minus under root of R square into 1 plus m square. Under root of R square is nothing but C is equal to plus or minus R sum. R into under root of 1 plus m square. Here what is the value of C sir? C is equal to plus or minus R into under root of 1 plus m square. What that is the value of which one sir? C. Here we have one condition is there. Okay now? So here we write down the note 1. Okay now? See the note 1 a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. What is the general form of straight line sir? Y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the circle. Is a tangent to the circle. Which circle sir? Standard form of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to R square. If we have must and should satisfy which condition? C is equal to plus or minus R into 1 plus m square. So the line is the tangent to the circle must and should the C is equal to what is that, sir? Plus or minus R into 1 plus M square. Okay na? So next to see here the general form of the circle equation, so the general form of the tangent term. Okay na? See here, for all real values of M, for all real values of M, the straight line for all real values of M, the straight line, what is the general form of straight line? Y is equal to mx plus cm. Here c is equal to, we are writing y is equal to mx plus or minus r into under root of which one, sir? 1 plus m square is a tangent to the circle. Okay, Ram? Is a tangent to the circle. Which circle, sir? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Is a tangent to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to r square. And the slope of the tangent is which one, sir? M is the slope of the tangent. And slope of the tangent is equal to m. Okay, Ram? And the slope of the tangent is m. All of read on this one. Next, see here. Third one is also there. This is which one, sir? Standard form of the circle. So general form of the circle is also there. In that case, also equation of the tangent of see. This is the note 3. The equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent to the circle. See the equation of the tangent to the circle. S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The equation of the tangent to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Having the slope m is slope small m is there is the slope is there. In that case, equation of the tangent, there is nothing but y plus f is equal to m. So here y plus f is equal to here m into x plus g. X plus g is equal to plus or minus y. This is which form, sir? Y is equal to mx plus g, mx plus cm. Y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into under root of 1 plus m square. Y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into under root of 1 plus m square. Here what is the center, sir? Here center, that is nothing but minus g comma minus f. Center of the circle minus g comma minus f. R is which one, sir? R is the radius under root of g square plus f square minus c. Here where minus g comma minus f is nothing but center. R is the radius. Okay now? All of you write down first. So the next class will be continued tomorrow.